Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're gonna be working on Mater here, and we got the tunes, some tunes for it, so we're gonna go ahead and test it out. And what we did was, if you come here, we installed this is the map sensor. So this is a 5-bar map sensor right here from AEM. We got that so you could read higher. And we also got over here we got the 6.4, which looks the same as the 6.0, but it's the sensor right here, right there. We got the exhaust back pressure sensor, so we got that. And we're gonna go ahead and slap some tunes on and try it out. So we got a nice little baby air filter action going right here, nice restriction. And then we just got a 90 rubber boot with nothing there. We're gonna have to figure something out for the air filter here, but so we'll go ahead and install it, and then we'll go take it out for a test run and see if we can build some more boost. So let's go ahead and install it and then try that out. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take off from first gear here and see how it goes. Alright guys, so as you saw, we got it dialed in and it's making boost, but if you saw at the end of that last gear, we ended up blowing the boot because it was making too much boost, so that's a good thing. So now we got it all pretty much squared away. It's all pretty much running pretty good, It's running, I think it's making more horsepower than we originally thought, so that's good. More horsepower is always better, so for now I guess we're just gonna let it run like that, see how it runs, and then if anything, we run into any problems or anything, then I guess we'll bring it back and show you guys. But since for now it looks like it's running pretty good, so the only problem I think we're gonna be having is we're gonna be having too much smiles, being too happy, but that's a good problem, so we'll let that slide. So for now, so I guess that'll be it for this video, and hope you guys enjoyed, and then catch you guys in the next one.